Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from TapTap Send to Bkash. So let's dive into it. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is your step one is to open the TapTap Send app and launch the app on your device, your mobile phone or your tablet. Then after that, you have to select the Bangladesh as the recipient country. So choose the Bangladesh from the country list and choose Bkash as payment method. So select Bkash under the delivery option. Then the next thing to do is to add the recipient details. So enter the recipient full names and the Bkash mobile number. So when you're done, you have to enter the amount. So type in the amount you want to send and select your preferred payment option, which will be your debit card or your mobile money. Then once you're done, review the transfer. Then check all details to ensure accuracy, and when you're done with the checking, then you can confirm and send. So tap the send button to complete the transaction, and make sure you save the receipt just for the confirmation of for keeping the confirmation and the record. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.